Hello, Earth System Science. I am here with your final agenda video for the semester. This is how you are turning in and completing your Caring for Our Watersheds project. It contains critical information. I'm going to go step by step. You should, before you have reached this video, completed your template with complete paragraphs, right? Those should be already done and written. I'm going to pick up where your essay is essentially already put together. You've already included your visual aid into that essay. Okay, so here is our 4-step finishing process. In order to get credit, obviously, and we're looking at 130 points on the table here, you need to have your completed essay and proposal attached to this post. If you've already started it, you can add the document you've been working on. I have made a copy for every student to have their name and the watershed proposal. This is where you could copy and paste the paragraphs from your template, from the Google Slide template, into this document. Do not forget to have a title, right? And I should say that you should be aware and use the watershed project presentation rubric, which I will also add to this post as a double check to make sure you're not missing anything, right? And so you'll have your topic, you will have the topic paragraph, you'll have your supporting paragraphs. You want to make sure all of these answers are present in complete sentences. You'll add your visual aid in there. You'll close with a concluding paragraph. You'll make sure that it's well written and edited, and you can do it on this document. When you have all of those pieces together, there is 3 things you have left to do. Okay, the first, it is required to remove your name from this file, okay, because it'll be attached to you, but when they go through proposals, they don't need your name on it. And so you're going to delete your name from the file, okay? Again, all of your paragraphs, everything is here. Step 2 is to download your essay as a PDF. Okay, so I click on File after I've removed my name, File, Download, PDF document. It'll download on my computer. If I don't know where it is, I can show it in a folder. Turns out to be in my downloads. I then go to step 3. I need to upload this proposal to the Caring for Our Watersheds website. Okay, that link is linked on this post. It's called Nutrient Watersheds Contest Entries. Click that link. Then I need to register for the contest, right? So I put in my name, put in my school email, I put in my phone number, I put in my country, the United States, I put in Colorado, the state, I live in Fort Collins, I go to Fort Collins High School. There will be an option for a teacher advisor. My name will be there. You will choose Peter Workman. You can put a title on your project, right? If we went with the picking up plastic idea, then I could explain, what I'm doing just in one sentence, right? Picking up plastic along Timberline Road. I need to upload my essay, my proposal. I do the choose file. I find what I just downloaded that doesn't have my name on it. Upload it. Make sure it's a PDF. And then I create the contest entry. Click that link. When you click that link, it'll take you to a website that looks just like this. Okay, thank you for entering the Caring for Our Watershed contest. You need to, before you close this window out, take a snapshot of it so that we know you've turned in your proposal. Okay, so snipping tool. New, take the screenshot, right? Save the screenshot. You could save it right next to where your other thing was, right? Save it. Go back to this post and add that file of the screenshot. Okay, then you're turned in, right? At that point, you should already have your attached proposal to this post. You've uploaded and entered the contest. You've proved that you've entered the contest. You can hit turn in, and then and only then you're done. Okay, the only thing left to do at that point is to check in with me, and go make sure that your grade is where you want it to be for the winter break, and then we'll see you after the break. Okay, so with questions, please, because there's so much writing on this, do not hesitate to email me, reach out. Also know that any missing assignments that are lingering out there are still possible to do this week. So if you finish this essay and turn it in, get all the necessary components, and you have a couple missing assignments that are out there, get them done. Get them done before break. Your semester grade is potentially at stake. And so this is definitely the crunch time week. Reach out with questions, Teams or email. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in class.